It's Edwin here from EcoShine Solar, just here in a newly renovated home in Remuera. They recently had 12 solar panels installed. Pretty quickly some pigeons moved in underneath. Luckily within about 3 days of the homeowner being here, hearing the clambering on the roof, she gave us a call. First job to do is obviously remove any nesting material, nests, even baby pigeons or adolescent pigeons if they are around. From the road, once we've done our bird proofing, customers often comment that they come home after work and don't even notice that we've been there, and that's because the mesh is kind of really sitting into the panels and you don't even notice it. So as soon as a customer makes contact with us, we want to find out what pest bird has been giving them problems. Different birds require slightly different strategies. No one needs to be home, we don't need any internal access, so easiest way is just to jump onto ecoshine.co.nz under the bird proofing section. It'll have request a quote, it'll ask for a few details. We're usually back in touch within about 24 hours.